Oh no!
You got Call of Duty
What does he
Xbox
do?
and your DSi.
I really drank my bottle.
That is so
Try
cool.
this. See if that works.
Now you have
Wait a minute,
almost all
Chris.
of them, don't you?
What is
Yeah,
that,
but this
Mommy?
is a big one.
What is it?
Just stick your finger in his mouth.
Let me see that.
Listen.
We'll put that over here in this box.
Do you want to play that on my DS XL?
Where's your DS at?
He
Give me that
makes
DS
duck
thing.
sounds.
It's so
We're gonna
cute.
put that in here so we don't lose it. Okay?
I'm going to open this one. I want to hold it.
Well, you gonna want to open presents from other people too, or no? Or you want to just open mine?
Open other people.
Yeah, open up other people.
Ooh, look at it! Look at gosh, and a bunny on it! This is the one. There we go.
What is
How
that?
do you know I like Billy O'Flay?
Yeah, Uncle Jason. How did you know?
I don't
I
know.
opened